Hello children, welcome to AlphaNumericTricksKids. Now we will match alphabets with animals worksheet. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cat. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for hippopotamus. I for iguana. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for narwhal. O for owl. P for python. Q for quail. R for rat. S for squirrel. T for tortoise. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for whale. X for X-ray fish. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Subscribe AlphaNumericTricksKids for more videos. Thank you.